Your PS5 updated? Now you have a black screen and you're thinking it's dead. Do not send your console for repair yet. Do not throw it in garbage can. It might be savable. Your first thought probably is, great, that update killed my PlayStation 5. But before you panic, understand something. A PS5 that won't boot after an update is not automatically a dead console. A lot of times it's just stuck. It's confused, or it's trying to recover from a problem that already existed. Before you spend money, before you ship it out, let's diagnose it. First thing we're gonna do is a full power drain. This is where you unplug your PlayStation 5, hold the power button down for about 15 seconds, and wait. Best reports show that between 1 to 15 minutes is usually the best amount of wait time. I think 15 might be a little excessive, but I've seen many people swear by it. Then plug it in again. Sometimes your system just gets stuck behind a bad power state and just needs a power refresh. Next, we're gonna try safe mode. Once it's plugged in, you're gonna hold the power button for between 7 and 10 seconds. You'll hear 2 beeps. Then you're gonna enter safe mode, and pay attention here. Do not just jump into erasing everything or reinstalling anything. If you have the option, the first thing I would do is rebuild your database. Because sometimes after an update, the system isn't broken. The file structure just needs to be reorganized, and this is the best way to do that. And make sure you know your account information and understand what each option does before doing them. Make sure you've got things backed up if possible too, always. If you're still here, that means that didn't work, and we have to move on to the next step, which is testing your HDMI cable. This one sounds a little too simple, but a bad HDMI handshake acts just like a dead console, which is black screen. In both cases, it looks completely dead. So what I want you to do is unplug it from both ends, try a completely different cable if you can, and a completely different monitor if you can. Just make sure that it's HDMI 2.1. We want to eliminate all of the simple stuff before we get into any of the expensive stuff. Now here's where it gets interesting. If your PS5 powers on, immediately shuts down, or keeps going black after all of that, the update might not have caused the problem, it may have exposed it. Your console may have already been dealing with heat, with restricted airflows, with dust buildup. A cooling system that couldn't keep up? Sometimes a heavier software load is the thing that reveals the hardware problem, the one that could have already been there for a long time. And this is why guessing gets expensive, because the same symptom could come from multiple different problems. A black screen doesn't actually tell you the answer. It's just a clue as to what's taking place. You have to know how to read it. And that's exactly why I wrote my book, How to Fix Anything on Your PlayStation 5. It's an ebook on my site for $9.99 that walks you through the entire diagnostic path that I would do if your PlayStation 5 was in front of me. From breaking it down and cleaning out the dust, to using a voltmeter to test the motherboard. This is a complete PlayStation 5 guide that really seeks to fix your PlayStation 5. Because the whole goal is to do that without sending it off for expensive repair or wasting a bunch of money on repair parts. I know for most of you, you would have already jumped on a repair if you knew beyond a shadow of a doubt that that was the part you needed. Well, this is how you can find out. The link's in my bio if you need the help, and if you've seen more than one video like this, you probably do. It's also in the description down below. Also comment, what happened to your PlayStation 5? Is it a black screen? Failed update? No power, no signal? I want to know because we're tracking the biggest culprits that are causing PlayStation 5 gamers every single day to have issues. I'm David G with Techyama Labs, and that's all we do here. I'll catch you guys in the next one.